Get ready for the ultimate showdown in our hands-on unboxing of the awesome ROG Phone 3. The upgraded AeroActive cooler delivers more airflow. Next up is the newly designed Aero case. ROG Phone 3 is a complete package with ROG stickers, the ROG Hypercharge adapter, a braided USB-C cable, and an audio dongle all in the box. Now it's time to meet ROG Phone 3, the world's most powerful gaming smartphone. Check out the new AirTrigger 3, enhanced GameCool 3 cooling system, and triple cameras. It's time to start our journey. When you first turn the phone on, you'll be invited to join a mission with the infamous ROG character Horseman. He'll take you into the world of ROG to crush that mission. It has a 144Hz screen with lots of refresh rate settings. Newly enhanced X mode boosts system performance. On the back, you'll find iconic ROG logo of Aura RGB lighting. Tool up with the Aero case. AeroActive Cooler 3 with new kickstand design. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the power of the mighty ROG Phone 3.